Quinteo is an intelligent service delivery platform for organizations that provide direct services. Our mission is to eliminate mundane, redundant work in the delivery of social services. Our solution is built on Microsoft Dataverse and in line with open standards such as the nonprofit Common Data Model. For the purposes of this demo, I'm logged in as a case manager, and in the left-hand navigation, I can see a list of all of the functionality that I can track while managing my clients. To begin with, I can see an overview of my work, and so I'm going to get started here by reviewing my current program enrollments by stage and see which program enrollments are active. And I can also see my clients' goals by status. So I know that 5 of my clients have goals in progress at the moment. If I need to, I can dig into the underlying records for these charts and be able to view more detailed information. In addition, I can also manage my tasks and my appointments here. So I know I have one task that I am currently working on and also an upcoming appointment. If I need to, again, I can add in a new task or a new appointment for myself directly from this page. As I'm reviewing this information, I get a call from one of our clients, Alan Armstrong, who's interested in enrolling in one of our new programs, Happy Life. So as I talk to Alan on the system, I'm going to search for his name and pull up his information. And this shows me a contact record for Alan, and I can also see a list of all the programs that Alan has ever been enrolled in. I can also see referrals that we have made or received for Alan, and also see a list of the assessments that Alan has completed. These might be baseline, midline, or post-program assessments that have been completed for Alan during the programs that he has participated in. I'm going to go back to my search results and open up Alan's contact record. While I have him on the phone, I want to quickly review his contact information and make sure that's up to date. Also see any of his case notes and see if there's anything overdue or pending that we might need to quickly discuss with Alan while we have him on the phone. Having done all of that, I'm going to go ahead and enroll Alan in the new program that he wants to join. And I will search for the Happy Life program and select that. And since Alan has worked with us in prior programs, I'm going to go ahead and mark him as active already. If he was a new client, we would go through the screening stage before making him active. Once I've done so, I will save and close this. And now I can see Alan is enrolled in this program. I'm going to go ahead and click on this record, and it's set to active. And now I want to go and create a baseline assessment and goals for Alan that he will work through during this program. So click first to create a new assessment. It automatically points me to creating a baseline to begin with, and then as he goes along through the process, we'll create new types of assessments. Populates today's date, and I'm going to fill in a description. Now, the reason Alan is joining this program is because he wants to go from being a volunteer to a teaching assistant. So in the baseline, we're going to track his skills as a volunteer. So I'll go ahead and enter that information over here. And once I have done that, I'm going to save and close this, and that will create the baseline assessment record for Alan down here. And then I'll go ahead and create a new goal for Alan, since we've identified that he wants to become a teaching assistant. So that's going to be his primary goal. And I'll leave this as not started for now until we actually start working actively on this. And I'll create a target completion date for this goal in line with the program itself. Once I've created the goal for Alan, I also want to go ahead and create some milestones that he will have to meet, which will allow us to be able to track his progress towards this goal. So I will click on New Milestone, and the first thing we're going to ask him to do is draft his resume. And we'll set a start date for when he will start working on this task. And I also want to create an additional milestone that he needs to meet. So I'll keep this open and create another milestone related to the same goal. And again, assign a start date to that. Once I've done this, I'm now going to click Save and Close, and this will create the 2 milestones that I have associated with this goal for Alan. You can see them on my screen. And as I wrap this up and wrap up my call with Alan, I realize I have our management meeting to go to where we will review our organizational insights dashboard. So I'm going to open that up on my screen as I head into the meeting. And this shows us an overview of all of the work that we are doing. So I can have a quick overview of the program enrollments that are active for us right now, the unique number of clients that we've served year to date and also last year. And in addition, can see all of the program enrollments by case manager and also their current status. With regards to clients, we can specifically see their distribution by zip code and also by race, by gender, and by age. I can also have a quick overview of our partners and where we get referrals, inbound or outbound. And for the purposes of this meeting, we're going to be spending some time looking at our new program enrollments by month and also our closed program enrollments by month. So I'm going to jump into that during our meeting now.